In this video series, I will show you how you can build a successful e-commerce business with me. I will show you everything in detail, from selecting a product to building an e-commerce store with little amount of money, and from promoting your product and generating sales and making around $3,000 to $4,000 per month with your online store. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So first of all, we'll see what is an e-commerce business. Basically, e-commerce business is simply you build an online store and you place your product on that store. Be it a physical product or an online software, you place that on your website store, and then people come to your store and they buy your software or physical product. Simple e-commerce business. So first step in building an e-commerce business and generating $3,000 to $4,000 per month through e-commerce store is you'll have to select a niche in which you are gonna work on your online store. So first of all, select a niche. And how can you select a niche? This is very simple and very important. So first of all, let's go to my computer screen, and there I will show you how you can select a niche. So first of all, write on Google, select a niche for e-commerce business, and do some research. Do some research yourself, like I have opened this website and how to find an e-commerce niche with examples. You'll have to read, you'll have to research about selecting a niche, how to select a niche. So like you can see that finding profitable e-commerce niches, don't limit yourself to a single product and follow your passion, and check what is trending, and conduct keyword research, select products with high profit margins, research. So as you can see that research is very important before starting an e-commerce business. So I want you to stop right here, and I want you to do research about what are you gonna do on your online store. What is your niche? So first of all, select a niche. It may be some physical product, it may be an online store or an online software, or it may be affiliate products, like you get some products from Amazon and then you place that product on your website with Amazon's link, and whenever someone buys that product from your website, you'll get some specific commission from Amazon.com. So this is another business model. So first of all, you'll have to select a niche. So I want you to stop here, and I want you to do research about your online store, your niche. So I have selected my niche after a lot of research on internet and in the market, and I have done market analysis, and I have done everything before selecting my niche. So I will work with gemstones and precious stones. So you'll have to select your niche, and after selecting your niche, the second step is to build an online store. So how can you build an online store? I will show you everything in this video, that how can you build an online store with little amount of money. So let's go to my computer screen, and there I will show you how you can build an online store. So to build an online store, you need 2 to 3 things. First is domain name. You'll have to have a domain name, and then you'll have to buy a hosting. So these 2 things are very important, and the most important thing is you'll have to buy a theme for your online store. You can get it for free, but I will recommend you to buy a theme from Theme Forest. Okay, so you are gonna have a domain name, and you're gonna have hosting, and then a theme for your online store. So how can you get a domain name and hosting? I have bought a hosting with hostinger.com. So you'll have to go to hostinger.com, and then you can see that you'll get a hosting from here. Okay, so cloud hosting, web hosting from Small. Okay, so you'll have to click here, web hosting, and then you'll have to get a hosting sheet hosting from hostinger.com. Okay, as you can see that premium hosting $2.99 per month. So you'll have to select this one. If you select this one, you can host 100 websites on this hosting, and if you select this hosting, you can only host 1 website on this hosting. So I have selected this one, $2.99 per month. So I have bought this, and I get free domain name with this, one free domain name for 1 year with this plan. I won't force you to buy hosting with Hostinger. You can buy from anywhere else. GoDaddy is there, Hostinger is there, Bluehost, and Hostinger, and many other hosting services are there. You can just go and buy some domain name and buy a hosting plan, and then after buying hosting and domain name, you'll have to go to theme forest for buying a theme for your e-commerce store. Okay, so from here you can see that there are e-commerce templates and WordPress themes. So what I will do is I will click here and I will click here. So as you can see that there are many themes on this theme forest. You'll have to buy a theme of your choice, of your need, of your desire. So I have just bought a theme from this theme forest, Green Mart. I will show you. Okay, so I have just bought this theme for my e-commerce store. You have to buy a theme from this themeforest.net, and after purchasing the theme, what you have to do is you'll have to open your hosting plan. Okay, so Hostinger, I have just bought a website hosting from hostinger.com. You'll have to open. If you buy from GoDaddy, if you buy from SiteGround, you'll have to open that website. Okay, so I will log into my account. Okay, like you can see that this is my domain name, freetoolforyou.com. This is my domain name, and I have premium shared hosting plan on hostinger.com. So what I will do is I will install WordPress on this website, on this domain name, freetoolforyou.com. So if I open freetoolforyou.com right now, this is not establishing a database connection. So what I will do is I will click on this hosting, and I will click on this manage. Okay, now what I will do is I will install WordPress on this website, on this domain name. This is same for hostinger.com. This is same for SiteGround or GoDaddy or any other hosting plan you just bought from that website. So what you have to do is, like you can see that this is WordPress. So you have to install WordPress on this domain name. So what I will do is I will click on this auto installer. And from here, like you can see that WordPress optimized for smooth. So I will select this WordPress, and then okay, so what I will do is I will select my name, matchless you. This is my name for my business. Okay, now I click on this next button and save, and now what I will do is I will click on this install. Okay, now as you can see that it's done. My WordPress has been installed on my website. Now what I will do is I will open my WordPress website from here. So free tool for you /wp admin. Now what I will do is I will install my theme that I have just bought from themeforest.net on my WordPress website, so that my website will show on this domain name. Okay, from here go to appearance and themes. Okay, as you can see that freetoolforyou.com, this is my WordPress website, but this is not what I want. I haven't installed my theme here. So what I will do is I will go and I will create. So I will add my theme from here, upload theme, and from here. Okay, so as you can see that this is my Green Mart theme. So what I will do is I will add a theme from here. Open. Okay, install now. Okay, theme installed successfully. So what I will do is I will install a child theme of this as well. So child theme is basically I will make changes on this version of my theme, child version. So what I will do is I will activate the child version of this theme. Okay, done. Now after doing that, if I refresh this page, like you can see that green mark, this is my theme and I've installed my theme. So now this next step is I will import demo data on this website. So how can I do that and what does that mean? Okay, so from appearance you'll have to go to theme setup from here, and then after that, like you can see that, welcome to Green Mart and start and next. And okay, now as you can see that there are many things here. So what I will do is if I click on this watch demo online. So after importing data from this website, my website will look like this. So as you can see that menus and all the things and products here. So I don't have to customize whole website myself. I can just import demo data from this theme and I can just change the products. I can add products and I can change these things. I can change the menus and I can change the footers with my details, and my website is just live and I can start selling my products through my website. So what I will do is I will import the demo data from here. So okay, I will select. Okay, if I select this one, okay, if I select this one or this one. Okay, let's go with this one. It's done. So what I will do is I will click on this import. It's very simple and very easy. You don't have to do anything. You just have to click on this button and all things are done automatically. Okay, so now it will take some time to import the content, import the data, and after importing the data from this theme to your website will look like this. Okay, so as you can see that this is demo of Green Mart and your website will look like this. These products will be there. So what you have to do is after importing data, you'll have to customize your website, you'll have to add your data and you'll have to delete these products from your website, from your WordPress, and you have to customize these things as well, and you have to enter your details here in the footer, and then you can you can generate sales through your website. So that's all for this video. In next video I will show you how you can customize your website and how you can add your products on this website, and how can you start promoting your product, and how can you start generating sales through your online store. So that's all for this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do it now so you won't miss my next videos in this series. So thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.